So good day to you. I'm here to inform you about the topics that we have been discussed in our meteorology subject. So that is from the types of clouds, precipitation, followed by the structures of depression and anticyclones. So first, let's tackle about clouds. What is cloud? Cloud in meteorology means an aerosol consisting of visible mass of minute liquid droplet, frozen crystals, or other particles suspended in the atmosphere of a planetary body or similar space. But right now, I'm about to inform the types of clouds based on their classification, altitude, and the three troposphere level. So there are three levels: the low level clouds, middle level clouds, and the high level clouds. So the types of low level clouds are the cumulus, cumulonimbus, stratocumulus, while the middle clouds are the altocumulus, altostratus, and the nimbostratus. And lastly, the high level clouds are the cirrus, cirrocumulus, and cirrostratus. So next will be precipitation. What is precipitation? It is any product of the condensation of atmospheric water vapor that falls under the gravity from the clouds. So while the types of precipitations are rain, drizzles, ice pellets, hail, small hail, sleet, snow, snow grains, and ice crystals. Now let's proceed to the structure of depression. An air mass is a volume of air defined by its temperature and water vapor content. They may be covered hundreds or thousands square miles and adapt the characteristic of the surface below. They are grouped into categories based on their source region: the continental Arctic, the maritime tropical, continental tropical, maritime polar, and the continental polar. So, in relation to cold front, which the cold air behind the front undercuts the warm air of the warm sector and warm front. The air in the warm sector of the depressions meet the denser, colder, and frontal boundary. The warm air overrides it. Also, in the northern hemisphere, winds circulate around a depression in an anti-clockwise direction. In the southern hemisphere, winds circulate around the depression in a clockwise direction. So, and lastly, will be the anticyclones. So, anticyclones is the opposite of a cyclone, which has a weather pattern described as large scale wind circulation around the central area of high atmospheric pressure, clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. So anticyclones are associated with quite good conditions, also classified as high pressure area. Anticyclones may either hot or cold. Hot anticyclones, or the all subtropical and some higher latitude anticyclones, are characterized by a largely warm troposphere. A cold anticyclone is one which a lower troposphere is filled by cold air. As a result, it has a relative shallow circulation, or the anticyclone that pass into fast circulation. Lower latitude behind the depression family. And that's all. Thank you.